dogs for tuning my channel. And did you ever wondered on an Audi A3 what this little button is at the driver's side by the door? So let me get out and show you. Right here. Did you ever wonder what this button is? I think this is pretty cool. So now it's on, now it's off. That disables the factory alarm motion sensor, just in case you leave a dog or like a person or a child or someone in the car and then move around, obviously your teenage daughter with the boyfriend, then you must obviously straight away disable that, because there's gonna be some shaking going on, I suppose. They're not gonna be playing chess. So you just hit this button and you can then lock the car, and if the car moves around, nothing is gonna happen. But it's also quite important if you're on a boat traveling somewhere, let's say Sardinia, from Italy to Sardinia, then you just press it, and when the boat shakes about, then the car alarm won't come on. Because if the boat shakes all night long, then what's gonna happen, by the time you arrive, overnight journey, your battery will be complete flat. Now this is something you don't necessarily want. So off you go. Don't get doggies for tuning my channel. Like, share, comment, and of course, au revoir.